Hubcentric with spacers built on Porsche Cayenne.
Hubcentric with spacers offer a better system of support and stability. They're designed to make a snug connection between the wheel and the vehicle hub, reducing the high-speed vibration and ensuring safer driving. Compared with an ordinary Hubcentric, BONOSS uses a multi-stage Hubcentric design, which means that the multi-stage Hubcentric can make the spacers more closely fitted to the wheel hub, greatly reduce the vibration of high speed caused by the inaccurate Hubcentric. BONOSS with spacers with a special Hubcentric design for Porsche, make it fit the hub and the wheel better.
The Hubcentric ring are machined with several holes. Each hole is specially made to fit the Porsche Cayenne 3 fingers or 5 fingers hub design. The industry recognized material for BONOSS with spacer is aluminum alloy, usually 2 types of aluminum alloy, 6061-T6 and 7075-T6. The forged aluminum alloy will have a denser structure and better performance than cast-wise, meaning in terms of tensile strength, yield strength, and proof load data. The hollow-out design of BONOSS forged with spacers effectively reduces the weight and energy consumption, improves handling while ensuring safety and reliability.
Besides, they can also be used to change the center ball of your car, making it possible to install wheels with different center balls to your vehicle properly, transforming lug-centric wheels into hub-centric wheels.
That's all for today's video. If you want to get a BONOSS with spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.